Hola chicos, bienvenidos a mi primer video. Hoy vamos a jugar Escapa del teclado, y probamos estos sonidos. Después les dejaré un gameplay del juego. Califíquenme del 1 al 10 que tan pro soy, espero les haya gustado el video.
You were born here in this brain. You belong, you've been this brain all along. What broke you want? Made it strong. When it's the wind and the wind, you're the other of that fire. No one can say you're gonna win. You know me, but it's how you made the way. You're about to meet the glory, only one step away. I don't know all the days and the